Now, following 2 games without a win, Cavalier found their mojo in a 5-1 defeat of Dundee Holden in the Ray and Nephew Jamaica Premier League at the Stadium East Field on Wednesday. A heavy defeat to Arnett Gardens was followed by a 0-0 draw against Waterhouse. That was 2 games for Cavalier without a goal. But the defending champions bounced back in style to beat Dundee Holden on Wednesday. It took Cavalier 35 minutes to go in front, Quayne Thompson breaking the deadlock. Then came the goal of the game, Dwayne Allen firing Cavalier further ahead in the 59th. 7 minutes after coming off the bench, substitute O'Dane Wilberforce made it 3-0 in the 73rd. Cavalier didn't need any help increasing the scoreline, but O'Dean Pennycook felt obliged with 10 minutes to go. Dundee Holden would get a goal of their own, Stephen Barnett scoring in the 85th. But Cavalier's 4-goal advantage was restored by Jerome McCleary in stoppage time. Cavalier are now on 26 points and have jumped 2 places up to 4th.
Well, definitely score 5 goals in a game at Premier League level. For me, it's a good match. We see a couple of flaws and a couple of things we still have to adjust, so at the end of the day we still have work to do.
Dundee Holden, who have picked up just 2 points from their last 4 games, are 10th on 19 points.
I just think we made some mistake today. Well, based on the game plan, I think we strayed away from that a little bit. Cavalier has got the benefit in terms of the set pieces, and they were very good in the transition.
In the days of the game, leaders Montego United blanked Spanish Town Police 5-0 at the Royal Lakes Field. The win has seen Mobay United open up a 6-point gap over second-placed Racing United. 5 more games will be contested on Thursday. Third-placed Portmore United will be at home to Malines United. Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA will travel to Arnett Gardens, while the informed Chapelton Maroons will entertain Waterhouse at Turner's Oval. Tivoli Gardens, who were roughed up by Malines United on Monday, will host the Racing United, and Harbour View will take on Treasure Beach at the compound. All games will begin at 3 p.m, except the game at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex, which starts at 7.